Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'll be showing you how to maintain your silk press. I have had my silk press for 2 weeks. Right now it is in a protective style, so I will be demonstrating with my sisters here. This is your nighttime routine. When you go to bed, you just tie your hair up using your scarf. I am using a silk scarf. You can use any material such as satin, and just cover your hair. Just tie your hair up. Tying your hair is very important to just keep it nice and non-frizzy. So you can put your bonnet as well. It's also good. This is your morning routine. When you've just woken up, you take your dog out and then you go to the shower or the bath. You need to cover your hair to avoid the humidity from the steam from getting into your hair, because that steam will freeze your hair up and will cause it to revert. So cover your hair up when you go and bathe. This is when you're done with your cleansing routine. You will just need any oil of your choice. I'm using the Nozy 25 miracle oil, and you just spread it throughout your hair and to your ends as well. You don't need a leave-in conditioner because that is moisture, so just apply any oil. No leave-in conditioner, no moisture, because you don't want your hair to revert. And yeah, you just apply that and you use your wide tooth comb to just slightly detangle, and then you are done. If you're particular on a style, you can also follow up with a fine tooth comb and then to just finalize your style, and that is just all you need, and you're done. Bye.